In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove a Google My Business listing. So it's nice and straightforward. Let's just head over to an internet browser, and in the address bar, you just need to head over to business.google.com and hit enter. This will bring up the Google Business Profile Manager. Now from here, you just need to ensure that you're logged in to your correct Google account, and this needs to be the same account where you created the Google business. So down here, you can see all of the businesses that I currently manage on this account, and there's a couple of options that we have inside of here. So if you just want to hide the location of your business instead of delete it, then we can consider doing that just by pressing the edit button here. Click on location, and then if we click this edit button, we can just hide the address of the business, and that way, rather than shutting down the entire listing, we can just hide the location like so. However, if you did want to just get rid of it and the business is closed down and you wanted to delete the listing, then first what you need to do is head over to this checkbox next to the business listing, click on actions at the top here, and the first thing you need to do is mark this as permanently closed. Then you'll get this confirmation message pop up, and we just go ahead and press mark permanently closed. Then give this a couple of seconds to update, and now as you can see, this has updated the listing, so it has this permanently closed text by it. And once we've got this, we then need to come over to the checkbox again, come back up to this drop down, and now we're going to select remove business at the bottom here. So this would just give you a little bit more information about closing down the business. So as you can see, all of your information like your address and name and everything will be deleted. Go ahead and press remove, and then just give that a few seconds while it updates. And now as you can see, we've successfully removed our Google business listing. It can take a few days to update in the public search results, so just do bear that in mind when deleting a business. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.